It feels so bad. It's so fast. Holy shit.
Yeah. Hello everyone from our yearly Car Saturday event, the day right after Car Friday. It's very busy at Vulcan Alpha. It was completely full, so now it's winding down slightly and we can do fun stuff. I wanted to do something with the Corvette because we do not have the 10-year-old tires anymore. This doesn't look stuck either, and there's a lot more underneath that you will see in one of the upcoming videos. We have also the people responsible for that thing over there, so they brought more.
For another engine.
Yeah, exactly. We have 4, we have 6, we do not have 8, so I guess work in progress. But we'll get something done. But anyhow, we have lots of cool cars. We have also Novus with the simulators. We have our friends Fusina with the seats and steering wheels, and the F12 with fire suppression. We have George, believe it or not, Gio's car, Lapa's car, and also yearly guest. Oh, by the way, Jimmer's Ferrari is also actually on wheels and suspension and uniballs. But one of the yearly recurring guests at Vulcan Alpha Open Day is one and only Sheepman Shevchin, who brought with him his very loud Ferrari. Oh, it started to rain and to drizzle. Where is the man himself? Oh, there he is. So, while we're at it, might as well.
Yeah, it started to rain. Absolutely amazing.
What tires are we on? Don't say Captus.
Rain tires, I don't know.
What could possibly go wrong? Ah, okay. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I guess we can do a wet rain lap or something.
It's gonna be amazing.
Yeah, Shevchin guy who's known for bringing the sketchiest cars.
I think you've driven worse cars of me.
True.
It could be worse.
Could be worse?
GTR worse, for example, but this is okay.
Alright, well, let's give it a try. Let's see. Yeah, F12 straight pipe, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
But of course, it's quite enough for the racetrack.
Yes. You actually didn't get banned yesterday.
No, they let me through.
Yeah.
Everybody was happy, everybody was smiling, waving at me.
Yeah.
Everything's good.
Alright, well, let's get out and try to maybe also edit and publish this video on the same day, because why not? Might as well. So if this video gets out, this means we survived. And if not, then if one day speed kills me, don't cry for me because I was dying.
I fucking hate that sentence so much.
So first of all,
oh, okay, that goes with OBD.
this is GPS.
Yeah.
So this can do the GPS speed and everything, and OBD does the all car data. So temperatures, throttle input.
But that's new. The last time you didn't have that.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Yeah. So
we're gonna see if my car
use
overheats.
the code Misha on GoDraggy.com for extra discount. Yeah, it works.
Should I warm them for you?
Ah, it's fine. But I appreciate the thought.
It's so loud driving away from here. Should I close it?
Sorry. I guess suspension is soft as always on the road Ferrari.
Typical Ferrari, yeah.
Yeah.
Very soft. Holy shit.
But even on competition cars it's soft because they still want you to take it on a boulevard.
Honestly, I like the soft suspension though. Holy shit. But it sounds good.
Very. Someone spilled some oil here, it seems. Very
Such
soft.
a bad passenger.
Yeah.
Shit. What are we saying so far, big boss?
Yeah. The what?
What are we saying so far, big boss?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Don't dislike it, actually.
You don't dislike it?
No.
First car I bring to Misha and you don't dislike. I can't believe it. so fast. Holy shit.
Yeah. But you want to brake before because the front end is just lifting off.
Yeah, because it's missing half the splitter.
How come, Otto? I like to downshift next to GT3 RS.
Yeah, it's nice. It's so crazy from the outside, I bet.
Yeah. If it wasn't like wet,
yeah,
would have done like DC off and we could have a nice entry. But to be fair, with the suspension so soft, I'm super bad at like drifting cars. I know how to catch them. So I wouldn't really want to try any silly stuff.
A mix between us two as drivers would be absolutely lethal, I think.
Imagine. We should mix our DNAs, but like not in a traditional way because that would be very...
That would be crazy.
Yeah.
How are the brakes?
Okay, actually.
It feels so bad and fast. Holy shit.
That's ceramic, right?
Yes.
So this should be alright.
But Italians are running great.
True.
We're getting kicked out after this lap for sure.
But who cares?
Of course.
Another sticker idea. You lap only once.
One lap wonder.
Yeah.
I hate this part of the section.
Yeah,
So
especially with the soft suspension, it just trying to survive. Oh, yellow.
Thank God. Oh. Alright, nice. Yeah, no, it's a virtual cruise.
You know, I actually really like it. I'll be honest with you.
It's different, I think. Than
Yeah. Okay. So the car is okay for the track. At like, if you're like, you know, gentleman driver, amateur driver.
Yeah.
It's good. It has emotion. It has capable brakes. The traction control will save you. It's all good. Of course, when you start pushing it, then it starts becoming soft.
Yeah.
But that's not what the car is built for.
No,
it's a road
tourer.
car.
Yeah,
it's a
it's a
tourer.
grand tourer.
It's a grand tourer, and that's like how many like countries, continents have you visited with this thing already, and done all kinds of things.
It's perfect for that.
Yeah. So I
And
think
that's what I like about it so much.
in that case, it's perfect. So, and if you want to have something like racy, well, I'm sorry, then you have to go do
GT3 RS. Yeah.
No, not even that. We're speaking about Ferrari.
Oh yeah.
So, Corsa Clienti, and you go a challenge car, or if you have all the money, you can have a bit something fast. Well,
Alright, there we go again.
traction control does not like this.
I also don't like it. These Yaris are f***ing fast. Woo. need to refuel and change my underwear. Cool.
Want to get coffee at Ristretto? It's nice. I liked it. Like, you know, the older me, like if it was like 1-2 years ago, I was like, yeah, it's not good for the track. Yeah, it is not good for the track. It's not meant for the track.
Yeah.
But still, we had a great fun, emotional.
It feels really fast though.
It
I
is
think
fast.
this is the fastest I've gone with you.
Because
together.
the car is working.
Yeah. For once. I wanted to bless you with something as well, one time.
Thank you so much. Anyway, as I was saying, it's actually a very good car. That's my verdict. Actually liking it.
I'm happy to hear.
Yeah. Again, it's not a purebred racetrack car, but for that you buy something else.
Of course. Yeah.
So, or you modify it yourself for the track.
Yeah.
But as a road car, it's very fun.
You should think about actually building one of these.
I might, but I have first a Corvette that I
Yeah, of
also
course,
gonna make
yeah.
9,000 RPM.
Yeah. We can have a ref off next time.
Yeah.